Your trade looks perfect until a sudden pullback wipes your gains, and you're left thinking, should I have exited sooner? This new indicator was built for that exact moment. It's a smarter way to read momentum, combining the logic of a proven exit strategy with a modern framework that adapts to real market conditions. The goal? Help you spot when a trend is actually losing steam before it's too late. In this video, we'll show you how to use it from setup to execution, and more importantly, how to plug it into your existing strategy. Let's dive in. Now, this tool is built on the Chandelier Exit Indicator. Developed by Chuck LeBeau, the Chandelier Exit is a type of trailing stop system. Its core purpose? Help traders lock in profits while still giving room for winning trades to run. Here's how it works. It plots a stop-loss line above or below price, depending on whether you're long or short. It calculates this line using the highest high for long trades or lowest low for short trades over a given look-back period. Then adjust that by a multiple of the average true range, ATR. That makes it dynamic. When volatility rises, the stop-loss widens. When volatility drops, it tightens. Traditionally, this would just trail behind price as a line, and because of that visual, many traders mistakenly use it as an entry tool, even though it was designed for trailing exits. But here's where things get interesting. In our version, we've turned the Chandelier Exit into a separate oscillator that runs beneath the price chart along with the trailing display on price. So instead of just reacting to breaks, you're now able to visualize the momentum to see how close the price is to triggering that stop. This adds an entirely new dimension to your analysis. That means earlier insights into weakening trends, stronger confirmation of reversals, and clues that a continuation might be on the way. When you load the Chandelier Exit Oscillator onto your chart, two key components immediately stand out. First is the overlay, a shaded band that dynamically shifts with market bias, turning green in bullish trends and red when the market turns bearish. This band hugs price action closely, adjusting with the rhythm of volatility. And when a trend shift is detected, a confirmation appears at the exact point of reversal. Below the chart is the oscillator itself, and this is where deeper insights emerge. It displays the raw distance between the current price and the Chandelier Exit level. When the trend is strong, the oscillator rises. When momentum is fading, it will begin to drop. It's simple yet powerful because it is a new way to track how price interacts with the trailing level. Customization, of course, is built in at every level. Opening the indicator's settings reveals a wide range of adjustable options. At the top, you'll find the option to choose the time frame the indicator pulls data from. By default, it follows the chart's current time frame, but you can select higher or lower intervals for multi-time frame analysis, adding a new layer of flexibility to your strategy. Just below that, you'll see controls for ATR length and the ATR multiplier. These determine how sensitive the volatility engine is. A shorter look back makes the Chandelier Exit more reactive to sudden price shifts, while a longer one smooths out the signals for a more stable read on the trend. This allows you to fine-tune how tightly the trailing logic tracks price action. Further down, you'll find the toggle between regular and normalized oscillator modes. Regular mode shows the raw distance between price and the Chandelier Exit level, while normalized compresses that range between 0 and 100 for a cleaner, more standardized view. You can also adjust the smoothing factor, which controls how quickly the oscillator reacts to price changes. Lower smoothing values give you sharper, faster signals, while higher ones help filter out noise and make trends easier to interpret. And finally, there are some styling options. If you prefer a cleaner chart, you can disable the overlay entirely. Alternatively, you can enable trend-based bar coloring, which adjusts candle colors based on the current trend direction. Another way to keep your visuals simple while staying informed. Altogether, the indicator is designed to deliver maximum clarity without adding clutter. Fully customizable, visually responsive, and easy to adapt to any trading style. So now that we have a good understanding of how it works, how exactly can you use this in your analysis? As mentioned earlier, many traders mistakenly use this indicator to time entries at reversal points, but that's not its most effective use. The real edge comes when you seek trades within an existing trend, identifying optimal pullback zones and using the Chandelier Exit to manage your stop placement and exits. Let's walk through an example. In this case, we're analyzing analyzing pound yen on the 30-minute time frame. We've enabled both the trend-based bar colors and the overlay to clearly visualize trend conditions. Our goal here is to wait for price to pull back as close as possible to the Chandelier exit line without breaking it. This is where the underlying momentum oscillator becomes especially useful. Notice that in some cases, momentum begins shifting before the overall bias changes. These subtle momentum dips, while the trend remains intact, are ideal opportunities to position yourself. Entering here often means lower drawdown and better reward potential. However, you don't want to blindly buy just because the price is near the Chandelier line. Confluence is key. To increase conviction, we'll layer in a secondary confirmation tool, the LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Trend Catcher. This feature is designed to detect early trend shifts, making it perfect for timing entries within pullbacks. Once the trend catcher flips green, confirming bullish intent, we can enter the trade with stops placed just below the Chandelier exit level. We won't set a fixed take-profit target. Instead, we'll let the trade ride until the Chandelier exit flips, signaling the trend has likely ended. So that's just a glimpse into what the Chandelier Exit Oscillator can do, bringing together volatility-based structure, real-time confirmation, and clean visual cues to help you trade with precision. You can grab it for free right now at luxalgo.com/library. And if you really want to take things to the next level, pair it with the LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Toolkit. Whether you're following trends, spotting reversals, or managing risk more effectively, this combo is designed to keep your edge razor sharp. You can test it out completely risk-free for 30 days at luxalgo.com. And for daily setups, fresh strategies, and a closer look behind the scenes, be sure to follow us over on X. Thanks for tuning in. Trade smart, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next one.